Get ready to dive into the future with 10 cutting-edge gadgets that'll blow your mind and upgrade your life. From game-changing tech to must-have tools, these innovations are what 2025 is all about. Like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with the latest gear. Number 10, Omnia Health System. Say goodbye to guessing games when it comes to your health. The Omnia Health System is a groundbreaking innovation, 15 years in the making. Unlike your typical fitness rings or smartwatches, Omnia combines the power of real-time scanning with advanced health monitoring tools to create a complete overview of your well-being. It syncs with devices like blood pressure monitors, sleep analyzers, and smart scales, giving you a full-spectrum picture of your body's performance. But that's not all. Omnia goes a step further. It offers direct access to certified cardiologists through ECG sharing. And with AI-powered assistance, you can finally make sense of your health data without a medical degree. Number 9, Ultrasonic Kitchen Knife. Ditch your boring kitchen knife and welcome cutting-edge innovation with the world's first ultrasonic kitchen knife by 369 Sonic. This isn't just about slicing, it's about effortless precision. Operating at 45 kilohertz frequency with the smallest ultrasonic technology built in, this knife vibrates 50,000 times per second, slicing through food like butter while keeping nutrients intact. Say goodbye to smashed tomatoes, crumbly cookies, and messy cutting boards. The ultrasonic blade ensures clean cuts, preserves food structure, and eliminates food waste caused by blunt knives. Whether you're a home chef or a professional, this is the ultimate upgrade for your kitchen arsenal. Its precision prevents juice loss, vitamin damage, and unwanted deformation when slicing. Number 8, Razer Project Ariel. Gamers, this one's for you. Say goodbye to sweaty gaming marathons and say hello to the Razer Project Ariel, a mesh gaming chair with built-in bladeless climate control. That's right, this chair does more than support your back. It cools or warms your body while you play. With the Razer Fuji Pro system, it delivers airflow across your entire body and can heat up to 30 degrees Celsius or cool you down by 5 degrees Celsius, depending on your preference. No more blasting the AC or freezing your fingers off. Whether it's an intense battle royale or a chill strategy session, this chair adapts to keep you at peak performance. This is your next upgrade. Smash that like button, subscribe for more futuristic gear, and level up your setup. Number 7, Kohler Anthem Smart Shower. The future of showers is here, and it's called the Kohler Anthem. This smart shower system is nothing like your old faucet. With a minimal, futuristic display, it lets you fully customize every aspect of your shower, from water temperature to pressure to specific outlets. You get control over 6 different outlets, and with 9 user presets, everyone in your home can have their own perfect setup. Want a steaming hot mist followed by a cold blast? Prefer a rain shower and waterfall combo? You got it. This system brings spa-level personalization to your bathroom, and it even connects to the Colar app for next-level smart features. If your day starts with a shower, make sure it starts the right way. Number 6, Twilight Sleep and Wake Up Light. Mornings just got better with the Twilight Sleep and Wake Up Light. This isn't your average lamp. It's a full experience powered by color gradient projection technology. It simulates natural dawn light to wake you up gently and improves your mood from the moment you open your eyes. At night, it mimics a sunset to help you fall asleep peacefully. With voice control, automation, and compatibility with other smart lamps, it becomes your central lighting hub. You can even customize settings for the perfect sleep routine, all from your phone. Imagine waking up naturally without harsh alarms and falling asleep effortlessly. Like what you see? Give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more life-enhancing tech. MagHub Go. Say hello to the ultimate travel companion, MagHub Go. This tiny device is a 3-in-1 USB-C hub, a fingerprint-encrypted SSD, and a 100-watt power delivery station, all packed into something that fits in your pocket. With 4 terabytes of secure storage, you can carry your most important files without the fear of losing them. It's MagSafe compatible, supports blazing fast data transfers, and also doubles as your USB hub for multiple devices. Perfect for creatives, professionals, or anyone who hates clutter. Whether you're editing videos on the go or transferring massive files, this gadget saves space and time. Don't settle for a bulky setup when MagHub Go can do it all in one shot. It's the future of mobile productivity packed into a sleek, portable form. Number 4, Science Guy Vancard. The Science Guy Vancard is no ordinary fidget toy. It's a multifunctional LED flashlight laser pointer, and tactical tool all in one. Designed to be fun and practical, it delivers up to 1,500 lumens across 7 lighting modes, and it can run for 310 hours on a full charge. It comes with both an internal 500 milliamp hour battery and support for a larger 850 milliamp hour battery. Plus, its green laser makes it ideal for presentations, stargazing, or just annoying your cat. Built for adventure, this device feels like chambering around. It's rugged, clicky, and ultra satisfying. Number 3, Latapod Delta Travel Tripod. Say goodbye to bulky, awkward tripods. The Latapod Delta Travel Tripod is designed for creators on the move. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum and titanium, this thing is ultra durable, yet surprisingly lightweight. Whether you're hiking through mountains or shooting content on the beach, it delivers serious stability. Its hinged spikes unfold for added grip on soft surfaces like grass or sand, and all you need to do is add a tripod head or phone mount, and you're good to go. The compact design means it fits easily in your bag, but don't let the size fool you. This tripod is solid as a rock and ready for professional shots anytime, anywhere. This isn't just a tripod, it's your mobile production assistant. Number 2, Scuba X1 Pro Max. Tired of diving into a dirty pool? Meet the Scuba X1 Pro Max, the smart robot cleaner that makes pool maintenance effortless. With FlexiPath 2.0 navigation, this gadget doesn't just skim the surface, it scrubs every corner, top to bottom. It avoids obstacles like a pro and even communicates with you while underwater. A full charge takes just 4 hours, giving you a massive 5 hours of continuous use. It vacuums and collects debris without missing a spot. From leaves to fine dirt, this robotic cleaner is built to deliver a sparkling clean pool. No sweat, no manual labor. Whether it's for your backyard pool or a hotel resort, this tech saves time and keeps things fresh. Love smart solutions like this? Tap like and subscribe to see more intelligent gadgets. Number 1, Forge Master Dice. Listen up, tabletop gamers and Dungeons & Dragons enthusiasts. Your gaming sessions are about to get a serious upgrade with the Forge Master Dice. These aren't your typical plastic dice. These are solid metal, crafted for those who want to bring style, precision, and intensity to every roll. Inspired by the hammer, the Forge Master Dice deliver a tactile, premium feel that's as unpredictable as a slot machine, but with clockwork precision. What sets these dice apart? They're modular and truly random, making every roll fair and exciting. Plus, their design makes them super easy to read, so you'll never second-guess your rolls during intense gameplay. Whether you're battling dragons or exploring mysterious dungeons, these dice add that next-level vibe to your table. Customizable for all your gaming needs, the Forge Master Dice allow you to tailor your set perfectly for any tabletop RPG. If you want to elevate your gaming experience, hit that like button, subscribe for more cool gadget reviews, and check the buy link in the description below to grab your own Forge Master Dice.